For several centuries, gold as an investment has managed to maintain its sheen. Gold acts as a safe haven during economic turmoil. The ongoing tensions between Russia and Ukraine have wiped out billions of dollars of investment money in the last few days around the world. But the yellow metal seems to stand tall amid the crisis, with gold prices on the move since the Russia-Ukraine crisis began. During the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, we witnessed gold rally in 2020 when prices shot up to around $2,067 an ounce, its lifetime high. During a war or a war-like event, the prices of several commodities are affected. War means increased government spending. Back in the 70s, gold was released from the limits of governments and banks, and prices were adjusted on demand and supply dynamics. That period saw the peak of the Cold War. The Iranian Revolution started in 1978. The Iran-Iraq War started in 1980 until 1988, the Iranian hostage crisis in 1979, and the invasion of Afghanistan by then Soviet Union at the end of 1979 were prominent events that shook the world. At the beginning of 1978, gold was trading around $200 an ounce. By the end of 1979, the turmoil in the Middle East and Afghanistan had cranked up the prices to above $800 an ounce. If we look at the gold price chart, we can see that prices gradually started to retrace once the dust of war settled. The prices came down to $400 an ounce. Gold prices skyrocketed once more during the first Gulf War when Iran invaded Kuwait in 1990. Gold prices continued to fall quickly after the conflict ended, and by the end of 1991, they'd returned to almost pre-invasion levels. Following that, gold continued to fall as disinflation took hold. Gold does seem to gain from financial crisis and war events. It is anticipated gold prices will correct once the inflation figure cools down and peace is brought to Russia and Ukraine. Now, you can leave a comment if you like this video, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel for Kalkine Media.